I'm going to show you how simple it is to work with Storm Mate. Now, if you pick up just one unit and have a look at the two ends, the only difference is this one has a groove and this end has a channel. So the groove sits inside the channel, A into B. And that's how easy it is to connect two channels together. Now, as far as ending one goes, you can buy these end caps. They slide into a channel, and I'd silicone around the edge there just to make it waterproof. And then to put a grate in, they lock into these clips along the side. Now, if you ever need to remove one, just grab a screwdriver and they pop out nice and easy. For the other end, now imagine I've got my fall coming down here. I need to push the water into the storm water. And underneath each unit, you've got 3 bottom outlets. Now you can see this one, I have core drilled it out, so now it can slide easily over a storm water pipe. Now what I'd recommend there is some plumber's glue or some silicone just to make that nice and watertight and rigid and stays in position. Now over the top, I recommend you use one of these leaf guards. It just means that when you see the leaves build up, you can pop that grate off and take the leaves out. It's a lot easier to do that every now and then than to call a plumber to come around with an electric eel to clean out your pipes. That's a lot cheaper as well. And then by the time you're finished, you've locked them together. You put your grate on, another end cap, and I recommend that you grab someone about every second joint to lift it up and to put it into position. It's a lot easier to work on a flat surface like a driveway or a path and put it all together and then move it into position rather than working in cramped, confined spaces up against, say, a wall or a driveway roller door. There you go. Storm Mate, mate.